Hi there, this is Rob, and after a few days away from the office, I'm back with a 2-minute overnight overview. As usual, I have a little study to share today, but first let's look at the odds sheet as it stood on Friday afternoon. Most of the index securities we tracked showed marginally bullish numbers in their averages columns. All showed over a 50% chance of a gap up this morning, and alongside profit factor greater than 1. But IWM was the only one whose numbers were strong enough to meet the minimum criteria for a possible long trade. I trade ES and tend to focus more on the numbers it provides. Price action and internals were both marginally bullish, while seasonality was about break even. This left the averages suggesting a very mild upside edge, not one strong enough to consider a long position. Let's take a look and see how the night played out. Trading settled Friday at 14.09 1/4. Sunday night got off to an impressive start, with futures opening around 14.16 1/2, but they couldn't manage to add to those gains, and by the time the market opened on Monday, the gap was only positive 2.5 points. Now let's take a quick look at the daily chart, and I'll share an observation there. I took a look this morning at Monday night performance during the month of December. I found that since 2007, Monday nights have been especially strong. Here's a performance summary showing stats for the 23 Mondays since 2007 that have occurred in December. As you can see, 17 of the 23 have gapped up Tuesday morning, and with winners and losers about the same size, that means a profit factor of 2.82. Now let's take a look at the trades list. Most interesting here is that the last 11 Mondays, shown here, dating back to 2009, have all been followed by a gap higher the next morning. I certainly wouldn't take a position based solely on this study, but I did find it interesting and at least worth sharing. Thanks for listening, good trading, and rest easy. Beat the bell.